The latest version of Smart Cut Quote introduces an exciting new feature: direct import of 3D step files. This enhancement extends the software's capability beyond 2D DXF and DWG files, giving users more flexibility when quoting complex folded parts. To start, create a new quotation. You'll notice a new 3D CAD icon in the import window. This feature is available as an optional add-on to your existing Smart Cut Quote installation. Clicking the 3D icon opens a dedicated 3D CAD window. From there, simply select and open your step file. Materials used in the part are automatically pulled from your existing Smart Cut Quote material database. If the material already exists, there's no need to re-enter it. You can also manage bend tables from this window. For example, selecting stainless steel at a given thickness will allow the system to suggest a K factor, which you can adjust to suit your business. After selecting the material and confirming the K factor, hit Apply and click Flatten. This will generate the flat pattern. You can then modify parameters, like material thickness, and reapply the flattening process as needed. Changes in geometry are reflected immediately. Once satisfied, click Export. Initially, it may seem like nothing has happened, but closing the 3D window reveals the part has now been added to your 2D quotation workspace. At this stage, you can manually assign bend operations. Automatic bend recognition will be included in an upcoming release. You can also import assemblies. Click the 3D icon again, select your assembly file, and choose which parts to process. For parts not required, simply skip them. After confirming the list, click Process. Then select all the parts and hit Apply. Once the flattening is complete, export them. They'll be added directly to your current quotation. This update gives Smart Cut Quote users a smoother workflow when quoting for folded parts and assemblies. It simplifies material and bend data entry, helps generate accurate flat patterns, and saves time when working with step files from 3D CAD systems.